अनलाइन क्विजको आज हामी फाइनल डेमा छौँ र यस फाइनल डेमा आउनुभएका सम्पूर्ण गेस्ट त्यसै गरी एक्जिक्युटिभ मेम्बर्सहरू अनि यो कोर टिमका मेम्बर्सहरू अथवा क्र्यु मेम्बर्सहरू र सिक्ने अनि चाहिँ सिकेको ज्ञान प्रस्फुटन गर्ने सबै पार्टिसिपेन्ट्सहरूलाई स्वागत छ। आजको यस फाइनल डेको इभेन्टमा हामी लगातार 2 दिनदेखि चाहिँ भिडिरहेका छौँ हैन, प्रतिस्पर्धा पनि गर्दैछौँ, केही नयाँ कुराहरू पनि सिक्दै गइरहेछौँ, आफूले सिकेका कुराहरू पनि हामीले प्रस्तुत गर्दै गइरहेछौँ र आज हामी फाइनल डेमा आइपुगेको छौँ। यो आजको फाइनल डेको इभेन्टमा पनि अध्यक्षता गरिदिनुको लागि स्क्र्याबल क्लब पोखराका अध्यक्ष श्री केशव प्रसाद घिमिरे पराजुली सरलाई म हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु।
नमस्कार, धन्यवाद सर।
थ्याङ्क यू सर। त्यस्तै अब गेस्टहरूको चाहिँ आगमन भइसकेको छैन, उहाँहरूलाई हामी क्रमिक रूपले नै वेलकम गर्नेछौँ। हामीसँग स्क्र्याबल क्लब पोखराका एक्जिक्युटिभ मेम्बर कोही हुनुहुन्छ यहाँनिर? पूर्णबहादुर सर, तपाईँ क्र्यु मेम्बरको रूपमा अनि सँगै स्क्र्याबल क्लब पोखराका कोषाध्यक्षको रूपमा आफ्नो उपस्थिति जनाइदिनु होला सर। पूर्ण सर।
सर हामी सधैँ यही छु सर, धन्यवाद
आज
सर।
ढाका टोपी देखिन सरको बरु। अनि त्यस्तै हामीसँग यो के अरे अनलाइन क्विजका क्र्यु मेम्बर्सहरू ऋषभ चाहर सर, झापा डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोअर्डिनेटर हुनुहुन्छ। सर प्लिज।
गुड मर्निङ, नमस्ते, थ्याङ्क यू सर।
त्यस्तै हामीसँग सिन्धुपाल्चोक डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोअर्डिनेटर अनि क्र्यु मेम्बर चिरञ्जीवी नेपाल सर हुनुहुन्छ। सर वेलकम टु यू।
गुड मर्निङ सबैजनालाई।
र सबैजना पार्टिसिपेन्ट्सहरूलाई पनि वेलकम छ। अब धेरै कुरा गर्न लाग्दाखेरि तपाईँहरूलाई चाहिँ पूर्ण सर।
यस सर।
स्क्रिन
ओके सर, सरी सर।
ओके, सो आजको 2टा राउन्डमा चाहिँ मैले अघि पनि भनेको छु, फर्स्ट राउन्ड कम्प्युटर राउन्ड हुनेछ। अब कम्प्युटर राउन्डको पनि आफ्नै चाहिँ रुल्सहरू भन्नाले नर्मली सोसल राउन्ड अथवा म्याथ राउन्ड, साइन्स राउन्ड जस्तै हो यसको रुल्स एन्ड रेगुलेसन्सहरू। पूर्ण सरले तपाईँहरूलाई कम्प्युटर राउन्डको स्क्रिन सेयर गर्दै हुन्छ। सो फर्स्ट अफ अल आई विल जस्ट रिड द रुल्स। अनि ऋषभ सर, हजुरले यसो रफमा केही स्कोर सिट रेडी गरिदिनुहोस् ल ऋषभ सर, यो राउन्डको चाहिँ।
हस् हुन्छ सर।
आई अल्सो किप कम हियर बिकज सेकेन्ड राउन्डको स्कोर म आफै छु, त्यो भएर। अनि चिरञ्जीवी सर प्लिज चेक द भिडियोज टुडे। आज तपाईँको काम चाहिँ दरसँगले।
हजुर हजुर सर, म रेडी छु सर। अब सकेसम्म
हजुर
मैले चाहिँ मेरो जिम्मेवारी पुरा गर्ने प्रयास गर्छु। कठिन जिम्मेवारी छ आज।
आज ध्रुव सर देखिएको छैन, त्यही भएर हजुरलाई नि त्यो जिम्मेवारी छ। अब केशव सरले ओभरअल हेर्ने काम गरिहाल्नुहुन्छ। अनि मलाई यो क्विज स्टार्ट गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि थोरै केही कुराहरू चाहिँ सबै कन्टेस्टेन्टहरूलाई भन्न मन लाग्यो होइन। हिजो 1-2वटा क्वेसन्सहरूमा 1-2जना कन्टेस्टेन्टहरूले चाहिँ थोरै हामीलाई छक्याउन खोज्नु भएको थियो, झुक्याउन खोज्नु भएको थियो, अथवा झुक्याउनु पनि भयो होला होइन। कतिको चाहिँ हामीले अन द स्पट थाहा पायौँ, कतिको चाहिँ हामीले यो मार्फत पनि गर्नुभएको रहेछ भनेर थाहा पाइयो। त्यही भएर बी प्लिज अनेस्ट होइन। यो चाहिँ कम्पिटिसन हो, यो चाहिँ तपाईँहरूको चाहिँ एउटा इभेन्ट हो। यो यस्तो कठिन परिस्थितिमा पनि एउटा इन्टरटेनमेन्ट सँगसँगै नलेज गेन गर्ने एउटा माध्यमको रूपमा तपाईँहरूले चाहिँ यो अनलाइन क्विजलाई पाउनु भएको छ, सँगै स्क्र्याबल क्लबले गरेका विभिन्न इभेन्ट्सहरूलाई पाउनु भएको छ। त्यही भएर हामी जसरी चाहिँ डेडिकेटेड भएर अनेस्ट भएर तपाईँहरू माझमा क्वेसन्सहरू राखिरहेका छौँ, तपाईँहरूले पनि त्यस्तै अनेस्टी देखाइदिनु होला प्लिज। टिचिङको माध्यममा होला तपाईँहरू हामीभन्दा धेरै अगाडि हुनुहुन्छ होला, टेक्नोलोजीको कुराहरूमा तपाईँहरूले अझै बढी युज गर्नुभएको होला हामीभन्दा। तर प्लिज फेयर हुनुहोस् होइन, फेयर गर्नुहोस्, फेयर तरिकाले आउनुहोस्। र केही तपाईँहरूलाई चाहिँ असन्तुष्ट भएका कुराहरू हुन्छन्, किनभने क्विजमा हामीले अस्ति रुल्स पढ्दा पनि भनेको थियौँ, कतिपय कुराहरू चाहिँ कन्ट्राडिक्टिभ खालको हुन्छन्, कन्फ्लिक्ट ल्याउने खालको हुन सक्छन्। एन्सर्सहरू कुनै चेन्जेबल एन्सर्सहरू हुन्छन्, ती चेन्जेबल एन्सर्सहरू अथवा कहिले कहिले चाहिँ विभिन्न कुराहरूले गर्दा फेरिनुपर्ने कुरा एन्सर्सहरू हुन सक्छन्। कहिले कहिले हाम्रो नलेजको चाहिँ धरातल लिमिटेड हुनसक्छ हामी पार्टिसिपेन्ट्सहरूको, कन्टेस्टेन्टहरूको, किनभने तपाईँ स्कुल लेभलमा 11-12मा पढ्दै हुन्छ, कोही अझै त्योभन्दा जुनियर लेभलमा हुनुहुन्छ। तपाईँहरूको अन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ लेभल र तपाईँको टिचर्सको अथवा चाहिँ तपाईँभन्दा सिनियर्सहरूको त्यो लेभल नमिल्न सक्छ। त्यही भएर कतै तपाईँले बुझ्ने कुराहरूमा चाहिँ अलिकति कुनै अर्कै तरिकाले बुझ्नु भएको हुनसक्छ। द्याट्स वाइ हामीले चाहिँ तयार गरेको एन्सर्सलाई नै तपाईँहरूले फाइनल एन्सर मानिदिनुपर्छ। यो चाहिँ गेम्सको रुल नै हुन्छ हेर्नुहोस्। द्याट्स वाइ कुनै खालको त्यस्तै खालको इस्युहरू आयो भने हुन्छ लेट्स डिस्कस होइन, अथवा चाहिँ त्यसलाई रुल्सको रूपमा मानेर गर्नु होला। यदि अझै बढी कन्ट्राडिक्ट यदि तपाईँलाई चाहिँ केही बुझेन भने क्यान डिस्कस विथ द टिचर अल्सो, किनभने यहाँ हामी जति पनि कुराहरू चाहिँ क्वेसनको रूपमा आइरहेको छ सबै करिकुलमको कुराहरू छन्, सबै सब्जेक्ट्सका कुराहरू छन्। सो यु क्यान डिस्कस विथ यर ओन सब्जेक्ट टिचर अल्सो एन्ड ही अर सी विल क्ल्यारिफाई यु फर्दर। सो वी एक्सपेक्ट अनेस्टी फ्रम यु। र आजको राउन्ड्सहरूमा चाहिँ एकदम अनेस्ट भएर तपाईँहरूले चाहिँ एन्सर दिनुहुन्छ। कुनै पनि माध्यमहरूबाट, कुनै पनि डिभाइसेसहरूबाट, कुनै पनि ग्याजेट्सहरूबाट तपाईँले सहयोग लिनुहुन्न भन्ने चाहिँ हामीले जानकारी, हामीलाई चाहिँ पूर्ण भरोसा छ। र यदि हामीले त्यस्तो पाइएको खण्डमा चाहिँ वी विल बी भेरी सरी, वी मे हेभ टु रिमुभ यु फ्रम द क्विज अल्सो। हामी स्ट्रिक्ट पनि हुन सक्छौँ, हार्स पनि हुन सक्छौँ। द्याट्स वाइ प्लिज नोट इट। ओके, with that note, now Puna sir, I guess you are ready there.
पूर्ण सर लिभ हुनुभयो जस्तो छ।
Okay, so Puna sir को एउटा चाहिँ
Okay, just wait.
Okay sir,
Just wait.
हुन्छ सर।
Just a minute.
सो अब मेरिट लिस्टको आधारमा हेर्दाखेरि अब यसको कम्प्युटर राउन्डको कुनै पनि डेमो हुँदैन। हामी मल्टिमिडिया राउन्डको चाहिँ एउटा डेमो गर्छौँ है पूर्ण सर?
Yes sir.
ओके, मल्टिमिडिया राउन्डको चाहिँ अहिले ऋषभ सर र पूर्ण सरको चाहिँ जोइन्ट रिपोर्टमा एउटा डेमो पनि हुन्छ। कम्प्युटर राउन्डको तपाईँलाई डेमो चाहिँदैन। अब आजको चाहिँ के छ केशव सर, हामीबाटै क्वेसन सोधेर सुरु गर्ने हो कि कसो, कि हजुरले सोध्नुहुन्छ सभापति सरले? Okay, so these are the rules for the computer round.
हुन्छ सर, म रेडी नै छु।
ओके, ठिक छ, हुन्छ। केशव सरलाई नि एउटा क्वेसन सोध्न मन लागेको छ नि, मन कुट भइरहेको म्याथ पनि सोध्न पाउनु होइन। सो आई एम रिडिङ द रुल्स फर्स्ट अफ अल। ओके, देयर आर altogether 35 questions as usual, and of course every participant is allowed to choose one question. प्रत्येक पार्टिसिपेन्ट 35 नम्बरसम्ममा, अनि पास हुँदैन क्वेसन्सहरू, र प्रत्येक पार्टिसिपेन्टलाई 30 सेकेन्ड्सको टाइम दिन्छ, र यसको +10 भ्यालुएसन चाहिँ प्रत्येक करेक्ट एन्सरलाई दिन्छ। Okay, so these are the rules. About like I told you, it's Nistal Bhutel. Rishabh sir, Nistal Bhutel, yeah?
Yes sir, yes.
Okay, so Mr. Nistal, please choose one question. Nistal Bhutel, are you here? He is here.
He was there.
Yeah, he is still there. Okay,
Nistal?
so
Number 7.
Number 7. So, okay, Keshav sir, I request you to inaugurate today's.
Okay. I'll ask the question. All right. आजको यो हाजिर जवाबको अन्तिम दिनको पहिलो प्रश्न निश्चललाई, which term beginning with the letter F means a hostile and insulting interaction between internet users? F बाट सुरु भएको कुन चाहिँ लेटर चाहिँ होस्टाइल र इन्सल्टिङ इन्टरेक्सन हुन्छ इन्टरनेट युजर्सको भनेर सोध्छ। दुईजना इन्टरनेट युजर्सको बिचमा होच्याउने, गाली गर्ने खालको अर्थ कुन चाहिँ एफ बाट आउने लेटरले गर्छ? तपाईको टाइम सिधियो। पूर्ण सर, आन्सर के रहेछ हामी पनि थाहा पाउनु त? फ्लेमिङ। वाउ, ओके, थ्याङ्क यू विनोद सर, आई थिङ्क आई डिड द जब।
Thank you, Keshav sir, for inaugurating today's event. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you Purna sir as well.
Okay, now it's season for turn. So season, please choose a question.
Sir, question number 35.
Question number 35. Purna sir, last question. Okay, so your question is, which company developed Adobe Photoshop? You have named the company. Okay, sorry, your time is up, season. The answer for this question is Adobe Company. Okay, it's Adobe Company. From Adobe Company only the name Adobe Photoshop has arrived. So anyway, thank you for being here. The third one, Miss Samiksha. Please choose a question.
17.
Sorry,
Number 17.
17. हजुरको अडियो र अडियोलाई अलिक चेक गर्नुहोस् त नानी एकपटक फेरि खटाखुटुक आवाज आउँदैछ
Am I
प्लिज
audible?
स्पिक
Hello.
या ओके के त्यसको भित्र बाहिरबाट रिफ्लेक्सन जस्तो आउँदैछ आवाजमा त्यो अलिकति त्यसलाई चेक गर्नुहोस् एकपटक
Now is it okay?
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. 17, yeah?
No.
Okay, Puna sir, number 17. Okay, what does CD-ROM stand for? Full form of CD-ROM.
Compact disk, read-only memory.
One more time, compact
Disk, read-only memory.
Compact disc, read-only memory. Okay, Puna sir, it's compactable, yeah?
Okay, it's acceptable, sir.
It's acceptable. Yeah, okay, congratulations, it's acceptable. So you got 10 points here. Congratulations. So compactable read-only memory or compact disc read-only memory. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, and next one is Prasiddhi.
So question number 1.
Question number 1. Pune sir, question number 1. Okay, so your question is, what is the name of the challenge response test often seen at the end of online forms that determines whether a user is human or an automated bot?
Really?
You have to name that test. Challenge response test. Okay, sorry, your time is up. The correct answer for this is CAPTCHA. Okay, completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and human apart. Lastly, you have to where can you see the roads, in which places you can see the roof of houses. Such kind of questions are asked. Is it, Puna sir? Such kind of questions, yeah?
Yes, sir. CAPTCHA figure.
Yeah, okay. So now it's Saugat, Gautam, your turn.
Sir, question number 30.
Question number 30. 3030, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, 3030. So your question is, what is called to deceiving individuals to gain private or personal information about that person?
Is it hacking?
Sorry?
Hacking?
Hacking. Hacking was your answer. And the correct answer is phishing. Okay? Anyways, you tried your best, but could not score. So next, it's Surya Chandra Regmi.
Yes, sir.
Sorry?
Question number. Am I listening?
Yeah, we are listening.
Question number 24.
Question number 24. Who invented first web page?
Finish, sir. Time over.
Okay, yes, Surya Chandra, sorry, your time is gone. The correct answer for this is Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, please just you have to guess some words. You have to guess some answers. Okay, if you just keep silent there, then you are not going to get any marks. But if you guess sometimes and give the correct answer, it will be a different scenario. Okay. Anyways, thank you. Now, next one is Ayush Sodari. Ayush Sodari.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Question number 22.
Question number 22. अलिकति अलिकति हजुरको त्यो उसलाई डिस्टेन्सलाई थोरै यसो मिलाउनुहोस् त हजुरको दुईटै हात भिजिबल हुनु पर्यो ओके ओके थ्याङ्क यू 22
Yes, sir.
22 Puna sir. Okay, what is the file extension of MS Word?
Sir, which version, sir?
Puna sir?
From 2007.
.docx.
.docx. Okay, answer for this is .doc or .docx. You are correct. Congratulations,
Thank you,
Ayush
sir.
Sorari. Okay, now Anustan Joshi. Anustan. I guess he's not here. Okay, we'll just wait for him. Later on, he may come back in this round only. So after Anustan, is it Greece, Rishabh sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Greece and then Jensen.
Okay, Greece and then Jenisa. Okay, Greece, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
हजुरको पनि त्यो हात अलिक भिजिबल हुनु पर्यो है हामीलाई ठ्याक्क टाउको मात्रै देखिएको छ थोरै ओके okay good yeah that's good yes okay so please choose a question.
Question number 23.
23. Okay, question number 23. Your question is, what is the application file name of MS Access? You can see the question in the screen.
It is not negative marking, Viren sir, isn't it?
No, sir, it's not negative marking.
Let's try it. Okay.
Okay, your time is over. The correct answer is MSSS only, yeah, Puna sir?
Yes.
Okay, so it was very simple. You missed it. Remember, it's not negative marking like Puna sir said. In this round, there is no negative marking for the wrong answer. So you can just keep on trying your answers. Okay, so we move to Jenisa. Sorry? 15. Okay. Simple question. Who is known as the father of computer?
Charles Babbage.
Charles Babbage. Okay. So your answer is locked here. Pune sir, Charles Babbage is the correct answer. So you are lucky. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now it's the turn of Prison.
Yes, sir. Video.
Your video, Mr. Prison. Okay. Okay. How is Palpa? How is Palpa?
Again, sir.
How is Palpa?
How is Palva?
Is it okay? Okay, anyways. La. So please choose a question.
Question number 6. So his video is visible, sir?
Is visible तर के अरे प्रिजन अलिकति डिस्टेन्स मेन्टेन गर्नुस् है हजुरले ओके गुड प्लिज चुज अ क्वेसन 6 व्हिच वन यु सेड prison Prison, do you listen to us? Okay, I guess Prison has some problem, so we will just give a chance to him when he comes back again. So after Prison, which one is it? Sangam?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Mr.
Sangam.
Sangam and then Nerissa.
Okay, Sangam and then Nerissa. So Sangam, Bashal, are you here? Sangam? Sangam.
Sure.
Okay, so please turn your video on. We are unable to see you. Your video should be on.
Yes.
Puna sir, is he visible?
No, sir.
No, Sangam, please turn on your video. Sangam, हजुरले सुन्दै हुन्छ हामीलाई? Sangam Bashal.
Okay, let's go next
Okay,
participant, sir.
we will just have with him later on. तपाईँलाई पछि सोधिनेछ. So Nerissa Dahal, are you ready? Okay, Prison सङ्गमहरूलाई हामी पछि सोध्छौँ है यही राउन्डमा, because त्यो रोल क्रमले मिच्यो हजुरहरूलाई. Okay, we will wait for you, Prison. Nerissa, are you there? Audio अलिक क्लियर गर्नुहोस् त, फेरि बोल्नुहोस्. Are you there? Okay, so please choose a question.
Yes, sir. Question number
Question
25.
number 25.
I'm not seeing her video.
She is visible. She is visible, sir.
Visible, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so your question is, which is the longest key of computer keyboard? The longest key of computer keyboard.
Space bar.
Space bar. Let's see the answer. Of course, it's space bar only. Congratulations, Nerissa. You have made the correct answer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now it's Sandesh Shrestha. Sandesh Kumar Shrestha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your hands. Good. Okay, your left hand. Okay, so please choose a question.
Number.
Number five. So your question says, which fruit and Greek letter combined to give the name of the 2012 released credit card sized computer created by volunteers to help teach children to code? It's the combo of fruit and Greek letter.
Fruit slash.
Fruit slash. Answer, Puna sir? Okay, it's not fruit slash, it's Raspberry Pi. Raspberry is a fruit and Pi, of course, the Greek letter. So it was formed to create a small credit card size computer. Anyways, you tried. So let's go ahead. Now,
With Susan Nure.
Susan Nure. Mr. Susan.
Number 2.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Question number 2.
Yes, sir.
You are just asking your God. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. What do the letters AVG stand for in the AVG antivirus computer software?
The pass.
Pass. No any try?
No.
Okay. Anyways, thank you. It's simple. Antivirus guard. Okay, AVG antivirus guard. Okay, anyway, thank you for your honest participation. Sushil Giri, your turn. Mr. Sushil. Okay, I guess he's not here. Or is he here? Sushil Giri. Maybe he's not here. Now we go to Abhimanyu Joshi. Abhimanyu Joshi.
I think he's not here, sir.
Maybe both Joshi brothers are not here today. And then, okay, let's go to Ganesh Kumar. Ganesh.
Sir.
Okay, now today is your audio clear there?
Sir.
Okay, so please choose a question.
Question number 6.
Question number 6. Puna sir. In computer science, which word describes a self-contained sequence of actions to be performed?
In computer science, which word describes a self-contained sequence of action to be performed?
Ten seconds. Okay, sorry, your time is up. So the answer for the correct answer is it's algorithm. Okay, so it's the word which is used to describe self-contained sequence of action. Okay, anyway, thank you. Now let's go ahead with is it Sandeep Rishabh sir?
Yes, sir. Sandeep
Okay.
Boyambu and then Vidit.
सन्दीप बयम्बु ओके अब कम्प्युटरको टर्म छ हजुरलाई सकेसम्म नेपालीमा कोसिस गर्छौं लेट्स सी ओके सन्दीपलाई क्वेशन नम्बर 16 पुनः सर नेपालीलाई पनि विचार गर्नुस् है हजुर
ओके सर
ओके सजिलो भयो व्हाट डज युनिभ्याक युएनआईभीएससी को फुल फर्म भन्नु पर्यो हजुरले
युनिभर्सल अटोमेटिक कम्प्युटर
युनिभर्सल अटोमेटिक computer. So, Puna sir, the answer, correct answer, universal automatic computer is the correct answer. Congratulations, Sandeep Boyambu.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now the turn goes to Vidit. Is it Vidit Parajoli, Rishabh sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vidit, your turn. Okay, Vidit, are you here, Vidit?
Sir, I think he's still not there.
Okay,
he's
so
joining soon.
Okay, so we'll wait for him later on. Then let's go to Asim Paudel.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please turn your video on.
Okay, sir. Sir, question number 3.
यसो गर्नुस् न पहिला हजुरको ओके गुड हातहरु ह्यान्ड्सहरु पनि हामीले देख्नु भयो ओके द्याट्स गुड ओके क्वेशन नम्बर 3 पुनः सर क्वेशन नम्बर 3 What does the acronym LAN stand for?
Local area network.
Local area network. And the answer for this is, of course, local area network. Congratulations, you have made the correct answer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so after Asim, now we move to Nisha. Nisha, are you there, Nisha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Question number 9.
Question number 9. Moment नहोस् ल नानी हजुरको moment धेरै नगर्नुस् है. Moment भयो भने अलिक यहाँ छुट्याउन गाह्रो हुन्छ हजुरलाई. Okay, so question number 9, Puna sir. Okay, your question is, FTP moves a file between a computer and server. But what does it stand for? You have to tell the full form of FTP.
File transfer protocol.
File transfer protocol. Okay, Pune sir. Now let's see the answer. File transfer protocol. Of course, it's the correct answer. You have made it. Congratulations, Nisha, for the correct answer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, lots of students are opening the account. So very good. Now let's go to Parvat, Sandesh Paudel. After Japa, we move to Parvat now. How is Parvat, Sandesh?
It's fine, sir. In morning it was so much raining, but now it is so much nice condition. So
Okay.
question number 4, sir.
Question number 4. Okay, your question is, which common acronym or short form stands for hypertext preprocessor? I will tell the short form of hypertext preprocessor. $15 seconds.
STPP.
STPP. Okay, Pune sir, now let's check his answer. It's PHP. Okay, not HTTP, PHP. Okay, so thank you anyways, for you tried your best. Now we go to Noel Parashi, Noelpur, Sarad. Sarad Bhandari, are you there? Mr. Sarad?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so alikati त्यो थोरै पछाडि जानु थियो थोरै. Okay, yeah, good. So please choose a question.
26.
Question number 26.
Is Saurabh visible, sir?
Yes, sir. So which was the first spreadsheet software? Which was the first spreadsheet software?
Sir, pass.
Pass. Okay. We salute your honesty. Pune sir, the right answer for this is VC Calc. Okay. The first spreadsheet software. Anyways, you were there with us. Thank you. Now Sudeep, your turn. Sudeep Kumar from Jhapa. After Noalpur,
Seems like he's not.
Okay.
Seems like he's not with us.
Okay. Anyways, then after Jhapa, we will come to Tanho. Yaman Suberi, are you there with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay, turn your video on. Okay, good. Okay, are you ready there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So please choose a question. अलिकति तपाईको अडियोमा प्रब्लम आइरहेछ बाबु.
Question number 8.
जेनेरेटर जस्तै के बजिरहेछ छेउमा. एकचोटि बोल्नुस् त फेरि.
Question number 8.
Okay, question number 8. Your question is, what is the official app store for the Android operating system?
Pass,
15
sir.
seconds. Sorry? Pass. Okay, thank you for your honesty. And the correct answer is Google Play. Okay, for Android system, it's Google Play. So now we'll just come back to the missing ones. Is Anustan Joshi here? Anustan Joshi. So he hasn't come back again. Prison. Prison from Palpa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please turn your video on. Okay, good, thank you. Now please choose a question.
Question number 33.
Question number 33. Which connector is used in coaxial cabling?
Coaxial cable.
Sorry?
Coaxial cable.
Coaxial cable. Okay, Pune sir, the answer is BNC T connector.
PNC.
Okay, it's the connector. We were asking you the connector. Anyways, you tried your best, but sorry, you guessed the wrong answer. So now we are moving ahead to Sangam Bashal. Sangam, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please turn on your video. Good. Yeah. Okay, so please choose a question.
Question number 10.
Question number 10. Pune sir, question number 10. Your question goes, announced in May 2016, which computer browser will include a new power-saving mode that will increase a laptop's battery life by 50% or more? You have to tell the computer browser.
Google Chrome.
Google
Chrome.
Google Chrome. Your answer. So Pune sir, it's Opera. Okay. Anyways, you tried your best. Its correct answer is Opera. So, and then we go to Sushil Giri. Are you here, Mr. Sushil? Okay, still he hasn't made here. Then we go to Abhimanyu Joshi from Chitwan.
Seems like Joshi brothers are not here.
Joshi brothers. Okay, maybe they are trying some other things. So then Bidit Parazuli, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please turn your video on. Mr. Vidit,
Yes, sir.
please turn your video on. Okay, good. It seems like you are just woken up or what? Okay. So please choose a question.
Number 31.
Number 31. So your question is, what is the system of online learning known as?
E-learning.
E-learning. Okay, so e-learning. Of course, it's the correct answer. E-learning. Okay. So congratulations, Vidit. You made it. Now we go to who was left? Rishabh sir.
Sudeep Kuwar, but I don't think he's here.
Sudeep Kumar. Here still is missing here. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Rishabh sir, one more time I would like to request you. Have you kept the score of now today?
Yes, sir. I've kept the
Okay.
score.
So can you tell the combined score of 5 rounds now? Or
5.
sorry?
Okay, so I have to say of each students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
it may take around 1 or 2 minutes. So if other comes, then we can just.
Sure, sir. Okay, so I'm gonna say the scores, total score till yet. Okay, so Mr. Bhutel 30 points, Srijan Paudel 30 points, Samiksha Thakuri 35 points, Prasiddhi 20, Sougat 20, Surya Chandra 20, Ayush Sodari 25, Anustan 15, Greece 15, Jenisha 25, Prison 15, Sangam 15, Nerissa 20, Master 10, Prison 10, Sushil 10, Abhimanyu Joshi 10, Ganesh Kumar 5, Sandeep Bamboo 15, Vidit Parazuli 15, Asim 10, Nisha Gurung 10, and Sandesh Paudel, Swarad Bandari, Sudeep Kaur, Yaman Subedi, and have not been able to score yet.
Okay, thank you, Rishabh sir. Now, still three or four of them they haven't arrived, so we are unable to wait for them because formally our first round is over here. So, Keshav sir, do we have any guest here now? Okay, I think there are no any guests yet. So, I think now we need to go to the second round for today.
Okay, sure, sir.
So the second round, of course, now here we'll have Purna sir and Rishabh sir. So I request Rishabh sir to go ahead and start. And maybe there is a demo also, yeah?
I think so, yes, sir.
Okay, so and I'll be
sir.
Ajay sir.
Rishabh sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm very sorry. That's mistakenly last time Vinod sir remind me as well. He knows as well. That's why I want to make demonstration. The first and second question, sir.
Okay.
First and second question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and we do have altogether 20 questions extra.
20 questions. Yes, yes, sir.
So that means we have 22 questions now.
No, sir. 18.
Oh yeah, we will have 18 questions. Okay, sure.
Yeah, I'm humbly sorry because of last time I
technical error.
I present here. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Technical error. And mistakenly they are in small screen, but it may be complicated or difficult. That's
Okay.
why Rishabh sir.
Okay, sure, sir. I think that's not a big problem.
So we salute your honesty, Mr. Pune sir, and we are regretted for that. That's very good. Okay, so अबको for चाहिँ निश्चय के अरे हाम्रो पुन सर र ऋषभ सरको जोइन्ट टिमले गर्नेछ। अब चिरञ्जीवी सरले उताबाट भिडियो स्क्रिनिङ हेर्नुहुन्छ, म यताबाट स्कोर किपिङमा बस्छु। ल ऋषभ सर, नाउ प्लिज गो अहेड।
Thank you so much, Vinod sir, and good morning, everyone. Now we are almost at the end of this competition, and I'm sure that the multimedia round is going to be the most exciting one. Well, as of yet, you must have got some ideas on how multimedia round is going to work or what multimedia round is all about. And it is quite different than that of other rounds. So unlike other rounds, in this round, we have got only 18 questions, and each question carries 20 marks. And the best part of this round is that you don't need to wait for your turn, but instead you have to claim your turn, because this round is all going to work on first come, first serve basis. So what we are going to do is we shall be displaying some pictures, videos, or either make you listen to the audio. And then after we shall be asking the question based on that content. So it's an open round. So you must be thinking on how you are going to answer or how you're going to put your answer. So let me make that thing clear first. If it was supposed to be held online, then we would have, face-to-face, then we would have done it like a buzzer round. But since we're doing it online, we will be using the chat box to, sorry, okay, disturbance bhao.
चिरञ्जीवी सर प्लिज त्यहाँबाट थोरै आवाज
होइन सर। ओके सर। अब यो चाहिँ हामीले फेस टु फेस गरेको थियौँ भने चाहिँ हाम्रो के हुन्थ्यो भन्दाखेरि इट वुड बी लाइक अ बजर राउन्ड, बट सिन्स वी आर डुइङ इट अनलाइन वी विल बी युजिङ द च्याट बक्स टु क्लेम द टर्न. Okay, so what we are going to do is we will display the multimedia content, and then I will put, and Purna sir will put the question. Okay, अनि म त्यो क्वेशन पढ्ने छु अनि
ऋषभ सर मैले हजुर अलिकति रोके त्यहाँ एकजनाले चाहिँ रुल्स नेपालीमा भनिदिनु भयो अझै सजिलो हुन्थ्यो भन्नुभएको छ सर।
हुन्छ सर, म लास्टमा अलिकति रुल नेपाली लास्टमा रुल नेपालीमा पनि भनिदिन्छु है।
हस् थ्यांक यू सर।
ओके, सो आई एम गोना से नेपाली। हामी के गर्छौं भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामी कुनै एउटा मल्टिमिडिया फाइल अथवा पिक्चर भयो, भिडियो भयो, अथवा के अडियो तपाईहरुलाई सुनाउँछौं, अनि त्यो सुनाइसके पछाडी पुनः सरले क्वेशन स्क्रिनमा ल्याउनुहुन्छ। Okay, so we will put the question and I will read the question out. So question screen मा आइसकेपछि म question पढ्छु and then I will give you one code अथवा कुनै अल्फाबेट हुन्छ कि के हुन्छ कि म त्यो दिन्छु है। and then तपाईले के गर्नुपर्छ भने तपाईले कमेन्ट बक्समा गएर त्यो कोड टाइप गर्नुपर्छ। Okay, so whoever comments first will be given the floor to put his or her answer, but there is a consequence. Okay, तपाईले टर्न क्लेम गरेर मात्र भएन, तपाईको आन्सर पनि करेक्ट हुन्छ। because in this round you are gambling with the points because we have negative markings as well. Okay, तपाईले answer correct भन्नुभयो तपाईले 20 points पाउनुहुन्छ. But then if you happen to give the wrong answer, then 10 marks will be deducted from your score. Okay, so score नहुनेको negative marking पनि जान्छ. Okay, so तर तपाईहरुले के कुरा दिमागमा राखिराख्नुस् भने मैले क्वेशन रिड आउट नगरुन्जेलसम्म तपाईले कमेन्ट बक्समा कमेन्ट गर्न पाउनुहुन्न. If you happen to do so, then the second person who follows the rules will get the chance to give his or her answer, and you will be disqualified. Okay, जुन अगाडि रुल चाहिँ फलो नगर्नेले. And then के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ, so the best suggestion that I would like to give for you is be confident and then only give the comment. Okay, so म shortcut my I'm going to say it. हामी पिक्चर अडियो अथवा भिडियो प्रस्तुत गर्नेछौं अनि त्यसपछि क्वेशन डिस्प्ले हुनेछ र म त्यो क्वेशन पढ्ने छु अनि क्वेशन पढिसकेपछि I will say the code. Okay, कुन कोड तपाईले टाइप गर्ने म त्यो भन्छु. I will say it fast. Okay, and then you will head over to the chat box and then you will put that code. The code comment गर्नुहुन्छ. So यो जसको पनि गेम हुन सक्छ and the table can turn upside down. Okay, so and then म एउटा मोबाइल युजर्सको लागि चाहिँ म बेस्ट सजेसन दिन खोज्छु. तपाईले मोबाइल ल्यान्डस्केप मोडमा राख्नु भएको छ भने चाहिँ तपाईलाई च्याट बक्स देख्न गाह्रो हुन सक्छ. Okay, so keep it in a portrait mode. Portrait mode मा राख्नु भयो भने चाहिँ तपाईको स्क्रिन पनि आउँछ र च्याट बक्स पनि आउँछ. Okay, so that is how this round is going to work. If there is any confusion, then you may ask. Thank you.
Okay, ऋषभ सर. Thank you, ऋषभ सर. तपाईहरुले के गर्नु भने जस्तै च्याट बक्समा टाइप गर्नलाई फेरि ऋषभ सरको कुरा दोहोर्याए सर. च्याट बक्समा टाइप गर्नलाई तपाईले पोर्ट्रेट गर्नु अनि फेरि आन्सर भन्नको लागि ल्यान्डस्केप गर्नुस् अथवा पोर्ट्रेट गर्नुस्. जस हाम्रो भिजुअल ग्याप चाहिँ मेन्टेन गर्नु है आन्सर भन्नको लागि.
हजुर, अनि तपाईहरुले कमेन्ट गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ अडियो भिडियो अन गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने छैन. च्याट बक्समा लेखिन्जेलसम्म चाहिँ यु क्यान टर्न अफ योर भिडियो एन्ड अडियो एन्ड देन हामी फ्लोर दिन्छौँ. उहाँले चाहिँ डिस्टेन्स मेन्टेन गरेर अगाडिकै रुल्स फलो गर्नुपर्नेछ. Am I clear to everyone? Is there
Sir,
yeah.
Are we supposed to say the answer in the chat box or I will say we have to say like that?
No. जुन तपाईले फर्स्टमा जसले फर्स्ट कमेन्ट गर्नुहुन्छ उहाँ विनोद सरले हेरिरहनु भएको हुन्छ. तपाईले फ्लोर पाउनुहुन्छ है. Direct पाउनुहुन्छ. Okay? So everything is clear. So we are gonna very confident छ भने तपाईहरु सोध्न सक्नुहुन्छ.
So what about that code?
कोड भनेको चाहिँ जस्तै मैले ए भने तपाईले ए टाइप गर्नु चाहिँ इट्स गोना बी सिम्पल है. सिंगल अल्फाबेट हुन सक्छ. Okay, but the code will be different for each question. Be sure on that. Okay,
सरले क्वेशन पढेर सिधाइसकेपछि बल्ल कोड भनिदिनुहुन्छ के. त्यही भएर हामी पनि कन्फिडेन्स छौं तपाईहरु पनि कन्फिडेन्स हुनु.
Okay, so am I clear to everyone?
Yes sir.
डेमो गरेपछि अझै क्लियर भइन्छ सबै.
Okay sir. Let's ऋषभ सर क्वेशन नम्बर 1 and 2. Okay sir.
Okay sir.
Sorry.
Puna sir,
I'm very sorry, dear participant.
It's okay sir. Let's have question number 1 on the screen, please. हजुरले सबै पूर्ण सरको प्रोफाइल चाहिँ पिन गर्नु होला है.
Let me wait sir once. I want to turn on audio sir once.
Okay, sure.
I'll come with desktop audio.
Okay, sir. I'm again saying हजुरलाई भिडियो हेर्न गाह्रो हुन सक्छ. सो पूर्ण सरको प्रोफाइल पिन गर्नु होला.
Rishabh sir, it is audible?
Not that much, sir. Vinod sir, is it audible?
I think it's not audible. So tang guitar sound, oh?
Yeah.
Okay, yes.
So the Puna sir, audio सकेको.
Okay sir. I'm sorry sir. I'm not start. Okay, question number 1.
सरी सर, यहाँनिर स्टुडेन्टहरूले एन्सर दिनेमा अलिकति कन्फ्युजन भइरहेको छ। यहाँ च्याटमा लेखिराख्नु भएको छ कि क्लियर गराइदिनु होला कि उहाँहरूले च्याटमा एन्सर लेख्ने होइन भन्ने कुरा बुझ्नु पर्यो।
होइन होइन, तपाईँहरूले च्याटमा चाहिँ तपाईँको आफ्नो टर्न मात्र क्लेम गर्ने हो कि तपाईँले जुन फर्स्ट पोजिसन पाउनुको एन्सर भन्नको लागि चाहिँ टर्न क्लेम गर्नुपर्ने हो कि मैले क्वेसन सोध्छु, क्वेसन सोधिसके पछाडि चाहिँ तपाईँलाई एन्सर आउँछ भने चाहिँ तपाईँले आफ्नो पोजिसनको लागि फाइट गर्ने हो कि फर्स्ट प्लेस पाउनको लागि। ओके, अनि जसले फर्स्टमा तपाईँको कोड आइपुग्छ अथवा मैले ए भन्यो भने जसले ए फर्स्टमा टाइप गर्नुहुन्छ उहाँले नै फ्लोर पाउनुहुन्छ एन्ड he or she can give answer. Okay, so it's all about luck as well and maybe little bit internet access.
Vinod sir.
Ajit sir, yes sir.
Our chief guest has arrived. Can you please welcome him?
Okay, so I request research sir just to hold a second. Scrabble Club पोखराले आयोजना गरेको स्कुल लेभल अनलाइन क्विज कम्पिटिसनको आज फाइनल डेमा हामी माझमा चिफ गेस्टको रूपमा पोखरा महानगरपालिकाका प्रमुख प्रशासकीय अधिकृत श्री हेमप्रसाद आचार्यजी हुनुहुन्छ। सरलाई यस कार्यक्रममा स्वागत छ र सरले आफ्नो उपस्थिति जनाइदिनुको लागि म हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु हेमप्रसाद आचार्य सरलाई। धन्यवाद सर, हजुरको प्रेजेन्सले हामीलाई ठुलो आत्मबल बढाउँछ। सरलाई मैले त्यही रहिरहनको लागि म विशेष अनुरोध गर्दछु। सो
विनोद सर, सरबाट नै यो मल्टिमिडिया राउन्डको पहिलो प्रश्न पनि सोध्न लगाउनु पर्ला।
अहिले डेमो राउन्ड
मल्टिमिडिया राउन्डको सुरुवातमा छौँ सर, त्यही पनि गरौँ।
छोटो अवधिका लागि चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ जानु भएको हैन
सर, डेमो राउन्ड भएकै छैन मल्टिमिडियाको।
छिटो गरौँ न।
ओके ऋषभ सर, सो प्लिज एउटा डेमो हाम्रो जाओस् न त ऋषभ सर र पूर्ण सर कम्बोले एन्ड देन विल गो टु आवर चिफ गेस्ट।
I admire our next hero because of the brave and serious work she does. Every day, this woman confronts the worst of what humanity has to offer. She says, stop selling our girls. By raiding brothels and patrolling the India-Nepal border, she saves girls from being sold into the sex trade, where they are repeatedly raped for profit, tortured, and enslaved. Since 1993, she has helped rescue more than 12,000 women and girls. Through her organization, Mighty Nepal, she has provided not only a shelter for these girls and young women, but she has created a home, a place for them to heal, to go to school.
Rishabh sir. Rishabh sir.
Yes, sir. Let's have the question on the screen, sir. Purna sir, can we have the question on the screen?
Yes, sir.
So your question is, name the famous social activist the speaker was talking about in the video, and your code is A. Vinod sir, would you mind saying
Asim Paudel and Sharad Bhandari. Asim first and Sharad Bhandari second.
So Asim, the floor is yours. Please give your answer.
Sir, Anuradha Koirala.
Absolutely correct. So you have scored 20 points. This is just a demo, okay, by the way.
It's a demo.
Yeah, so this is how it's going to work, okay?
So are you clear now, everyone? सबैले बुझ्नु भयो अब? सन्दीप बोयम्बु हजुरले बुझ्नु भयो?
यस सर।
ओके, अदर सबैले के कन्फ्युजन छ भने त्यहाँ भन्नुस् त अनम्युट गरेर हजुरले। सर, कोड छोटो भयो भन्ने कुरा आउँदैछ। अब कोड यो प्रत्येक क्वेशन्सलाई छुट्टै छुट्टै कोड हुन्छ नि ऋषभ सर, हैन?
हजुर कोड छ तर 1 अल्फाबेटै राखेको छ सर
ओके
अलिक क्विक पनि हुनु पर्यो नि त
हो इज दैट ऑडियो
Okay.
और भिडियो भन्ने कुरा भएको थियो अब त्यो ओके
क्वेशन नम्बर 2
Is this also a demo or
yes sir yes it's also a demo
मैले चाहिँ अलिक कम सुनिराखेको छु है सर
मेरो भोइस सर
हजुर
Purna sir can we have question number 2
सरको भोल्युम अलिकति हाई गरिदिनु पर्ला होला सर हेमप्रसाद सर उहाँले केही कम सुन्नुभएको छ
ऋषभ सरको आवाज राम्रै छ आई थिंक इट्स वर्किङ
okay sir thank you Purna sir shall we move to question number 2
Okay, let's continue, sir. Please, now, for open.
Excuse me,
no
sir.
demo है demo सकेको है
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yes please
Sir, one person can give more than one answer or not?
yeah sure 18 वटा आन्सर दिन पनि पाउँछ तपाईले क्लेम पोजिसन क्लेम गर्नुभयो
Okay.
okay so now we are officially beginning our multimedia round so we are starting off with question number 2 Purna sir
Question number 3, sir.
okay so question number 3
one more thing भनेपछि यो डेमो हैन नि है अब
No, real.
अब डेमो हैन सर
डेमो हैन है सबै पार्टिसिपेन्ट्सले बुझ्नु पर्यो यो डेमो हैन 1 र 2 भने थियो अब 2 हामीले सबैले बुझ्नु भयो भनेर नम्बर 2 क्वेशनलाई राखेनौ यहाँनिर बिकज टाइमको कुरा पनि हुन्छ सो 3 देखि 20 सम्म तपाईको 18 वटा क्वेशन छ 18 पटक तपाईले चाहिँ भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ सो अब जेन्युइनली सुरु भयो है यो डेमो भनेर नपर्खिनुस् अब चाहिँ ओके
okay so question number 3 here on the screen okay so your question is what is common amongst all these nations and your code is nation Vinod sir so I think the floor goes to Mr. Sogat Gautam.
Yes, sir.
Is it Vinod, sir?
They are all.
Sogat.
Sogat, please go ahead with your answer.
They are all SAARC nations.
Okay, let's have a look at the answer. And you are absolutely correct. Congratulations, Sogat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, congratulations to Sogat. Now, can we have question number 4 on the screen? Okay, your question is, identify the mountain, and your code is mountain. And the turn goes to Mr. Sirjan Nure. Sirjan Nure, please give your answer.
Mount Everest, sir.
Sorry?
Mount Everest.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
But unfortunately, let's see the answer. That answer is incorrect. So minus 10 points. That was Machapuchre, which literal English translation is fishtail. Anyways, no problem. Minus 10 points, Vinod sir.
Okay, sir. I have noted it.
Okay, so let's have a look at question number 5. Okay. And your question is, in which district does this lake lie? And your code is lake. And
Asim Paudel.
Okay, Asim Paudel, you may go ahead with your answer.
Sir, Mugu district.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's have a look at the answer. And that's absolutely correct. Well done.
Thank you,
Well
sir.
done, Asim. Okay, so let's have a look at question number 6. This is going to be an audio, so I hope that you listen properly. Puna sir.
गणतन्त्र स्थापित भयो राजाको पनि त्यसमा थियो जनताले पनि चाहेका कुरा उनका आकांक्षा उसको इच्छालाई राजाले बुझेर आफै राजाले दरबार छोडेर निर्वासित अवस्थामा एक ठाउँमा राजा आज बसेका छन् त्यसकारणले यो पनि एउटा ऐतिहासिक अभूतपूर्व घटना हो र विदाउट एनी ब्लडसेड यहाँ त्यो कुरा सम्पन्न भयो यसले पनि विश्व नै चकित भएको छ.
And your question is, identify the voice of this famous political leader, and your code is leader. Vinod sir. Who has commented first?
This time, Nischal Bhurtel.
Okay, Nischal Bhurtel, the floor is yours. Your answer, please.
Girija Prasad Koirala.
Are you sure?
Yes.
And the answer is Girija Prasad Koirala. That was absolutely correct. Congratulations, Nischal.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so let's move ahead with question number 7. Please have a look at this picture. And your question is, identify the company or corporation this logo belongs to. And your code is logo.
Okay, so one more time, it's Nischal Bhurtel only.
Wow, what a luck. Mr. Bhurtel, can we have your answer, please?
It's Microsoft.
Microsoft. Let's have a look at the answer. And it was. Congratulations, Nischal, once again. Wow, you are quite quick on your fingertips. So let's move ahead with question number 8. Puna sir, can we have question number 8 on the screen?
Rishabh sir, there are Saugat one question. And there's some persons guessing they're from questions. That's why he asked about. Sir, one request, you can change the code because they are easily guessable something.
Okay, sure, sir. I'm going to do it now.
Not related questions like I think they want.
Okay. Okay. So now let's have question number 8. And your question is, who is the person shown in the photo? And your code is online.
So one more time, Nischal Bhurtel has given the code at first.
Oh, Nischal is claiming his first person.
So
Okay,
he has
Nischal.
done hat trick.
Yes.
Yes. I hope that you do a hat trick in points as well. So what is your answer?
He is the father of computer, Charles Babbage.
Okay, Charles Babbage. Let's have a look at the answer, please. And that's absolutely correct. Congratulations, Nishal. Congratulations to Nishal Bhurtel. So now we're gonna have question number 9. Please have a look at the picture. I'm sure all of you love to eat this. Can we have questions, sir? Puna sir, can we have the picture?
Okay, just a minute, sir. My another device.
Okay, sir. Please take your time, sir.
Our executive Dhruva Thapa sir has one request. If the code will be different than the content, it will be good. So
sir,
maybe
I'm
Rishabh sir has
doing
noted it.
I'm doing that, sir.
Anyways, Dhruva sir, welcome in our show.
Thank you, sir.
Rishabh sir,
Yes, sir.
my screen visible?
No, sir. We are not being able to see the picture.
No, screen visible?
Yeah, screen
Yes,
is
sir,
visible.
it's visible, sir.
Okay.
Okay, and your question is, tell the scientific name of this fruit, and your code is START. START.
Okay, so this time we come from Jhapa to Kaski. It's Vidit Parajuri.
Okay, we have come a long way. So, Vidit, it's your turn. Please give your answer.
Magnifera indica.
Magnifera indica. Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
Let's have a look at it. And that is absolutely correct. Congratulations, Vidit.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's move ahead with question number 9. Question number 10, sorry. Let's have the picture, please. And your question is, how many districts are there in the highlighted province? And your code is photo. How many districts are there in the highlighted province?
Okay, there is a slight feed mistake in season portal. He has written 4 years. So what should be done with this?
Sorry,
Is
sir.
there season portal has typed the code in the beginning, but he has written incorrect code. PHOYO.
That's not. I think we should not consider that.
Yeah. So then it comes again. Nishal Bhurtel, the second one.
Oh my God, Nishal Bhurtel, you're a bit lucky. Okay, Nishal, your answer,
Sir.
please.
8 districts.
8 districts. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's have a look at the answer. Again, that's absolutely correct. That was province number 2, and it has got 8 districts. Congratulations, Nishal. And can we have question number 11? Now, we are going to show one video. Please have a look at it properly. And your question is, identify the airport of Nepal, and your code is famous.
Okay, so this time famous. The code was first mentioned by Sandesh Podel. Sandesh Podel, yeah.
Okay, Sandesh Podel. Can we have your answer, please?
Yes, sir. Lukla Airport.
Lukla Airport. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Do you know anything about it?
So no, sir, not at all.
Okay, so let's have a look at the answer. That is absolutely correct. It was Lukla Airport. It is the most dangerous airport of Nepal, and in fact, one of
Yeah.
the world's dangerous airports. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So let's have a look at question number 12. It's going to be an audio clip. Please listen it properly.
A crisis in education that exists in South Africa demands special attention. The education crisis in black schools is a political crisis. That our people have no vote.
And your question is? Identify the voice of this famous political leader, and your code is IDEA.
Okay, so this time, Prison P. Mugger from Palpa has said the correct
Okay.
word earlier.
Prison P. Let's have your answer, please.
Nelson Mandela.
दुईटै त छ सर त्यस्तै स्पिकर्स
Answer was Nelson Mandela. Let's have a look at it. And you are absolutely correct. Congratulations. He was the president of South Africa.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Let's have question number 13. I'm sure it's going to be an easy one. Let's have a look at the picture. And your question is, what is the name of this famous scientist? And your code is activist.
Okay, so activist is the code, and Nishal Hotel has typed the code for the first time. So again, he's trying.
Okay. Again, it's the turn of Nishal Vurtel. Nishal Vurtel, please, can we have your answer, please?
It's Stephen Hawking.
Stephen Hawking.
Yes.
Okay, let's lock that answer and see it. Yes, sir. And that is absolutely correct. Congratulations once again to Mr. Nishal Vurtel.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so now we've got some more questions. For now, let's take question number 14. Let's have a look at the picture, please. Please look it properly. And your question is, tell the name of the district where this palace is situated. And your code is mobile.
Okay, mobile was the code, and yeah, this time Ayush Sorari has typed it first. Ayush Sorari.
Okay. Ayush Sorari, can we have your answer, please?
The answer is Palpa.
Once again, please.
Palpa.
And do you know the name of the palace?
Rani Mahal.
Okay, so let's check it. Puna sir? That is absolutely correct. It is Palpa. And you said the name correct as well. So congratulations. Congratulations, Ayush.
Thank you, sir.
And let's have question number 15. Please have a look at the picture. And your question is, name the person in the image. And your code is audio.
Okay, so this time Nishal has print mistake, so we are sorry with Nishal. He has an Adip. So then second one is Sandesh Paudel.
Okay, Sandesh Paudel. Guys, be correct with your spellings as well. So the floor goes to Sandesh Podel.
Jean Henry Duna.
Once again, please.
Jean Henry Duna,
Do
founder
you
of
know
Red
his
Cross.
profile? Okay.
Yes, founder of Red Cross. Established
Okay,
Red
let's
Cross
check
in
it.
1863 AD.
Okay, he said the entire biography. Let's have a look at it. And he absolutely was. John Henry Dunant, founder of Red Cross. Congratulations, Sandesh.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So let's have a look at question number 16. And your question is, what is the indicated area in Microsoft Office Word screen or window called as? And your code is Photoshop.
So Photoshop was the code for this. And one more time, Nishal Bhutel has claimed himself as a champion.
Oh my God, Mr. And
Yes,
your
sir.
answer, please. And your answer, please.
It's quick access toolbar.
Quick access toolbar. Are you confident with the answer?
Yes, sir. 100%.
Let's look at it. Oh, it's saying 100%. Okay, that was quick access toolbar. Congratulations, Mr.
Thank you, sir.
Seems like it's pretty much active with the typing. So let's have a look at question number 17. Please have a look at this picture properly. And your question is, what is the function of the symbol in flowchart? And your code is dilemma. Vinod, sir.
Okay, so I'm just checking there.
Okay, so please take your time.
Okay, so some of them are still writing there. So I'm just taking one more second here.
Sure, sir.
Okay, so yeah, of course, Prison P. Mugger.
Okay, Prison P. Mugger. Can we have your answer, please? You've got only 30 seconds. Please note that as well.
Hello.
Prison, can we have your answer, please?
Yes, no questions.
Yes, no question.
To represent yes, no question.
What is its function? Function से की होता है?
To decide.
You said yes, no. Okay, please. Okay, time off. Let's have a look at the answer, please. To make logical decision or making decisions. I asked the function. Okay. So, Binod sir.
Yes, sir. Minus.
Yes, sir.
Minus 10. I have noted, sir.
You could have said making decisions, true or false. One of the two, we could have considered it. Okay. Okay, so let's have a look at question number 18. Okay, this is gonna be an interesting one. And your question is, do you want to? Okay.
I think one more time they need that picture.
I was about to say that. Let's have a look at the question properly. Let's give priority to this question for some more seconds. I think it's enough now. And your question is, tell the missing number, and your code is voice. Voice.
Voice. Okay. So yeah, there was again a tight competition between Nishchal and Sandesh, but Nishchal has written wrong. Some letter is missing there. So Sandesh Paudel from Palpa. One more time. It's your turn.
Okay, Sandesh Paudel.
Sir, from
Sorry,
Parvat.
Parvat, yeah.
So the missing number was 1, sir.
1? Are you
Yes.
confident with your answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's have a look at it. That was absolutely correct. Congratulations, Sandesh.
Thank you, sir.
I think you must have known how it has come, so I think I don't need to explain. So we have only 2 more questions, and let's have a look at question number 19. Okay, and your question is, can you guess the name of the web browser this logo belongs to? And your code is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis.
Okay. So photosynthesis was the code, and Season Paudel has written first. So Season Paudel.
Season Paudel, the floor is yours, and this is your moment. Please give your answer.
It is Mozilla Firefox.
Mozilla Firefox. Are you sure? Would you like to give one more try, or you are confident?
I'm confident.
No. So let's see. And absolutely correct. That was Mozilla Firefox. That was pretty obvious. I'm sure most of you use this web browser. Congratulations. So let's have a look at our final question. So this round was pretty much competitive and interesting at the same time. So let's have a look at our final question. That is question number 20. And your question is, identify the person in the image, and your code is astronomy.
Okay. Since astronomy was our code, and one more time, Season Paudel has typed it correctly for the first time. So Season Paudel.
Season Paudel, the floor is yours once again.
He Chandra Samsher.
Chandra Samsher. Would you mind saying the full name, please?
Chandra Samsher Jabara.
Would you like to give one more try?
Chandra Samsher Jabara.
And let's have a look at the answer, please. Unfortunately, we have to consider it incorrect. He Chandra Samsher Jangbahadur Rana.
Yeah, sir.
Vinod, sir?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
He has said
it's correct, sir. It can be considered. Jabara means shortcut Jangbahadur Rana.
Okay, sir.
He's correct, sir.
Okay, so excuse me for this. So that's absolutely correct. So congratulations. So with this, we have come to the end of multimedia round. I hope that was as exciting as it was for me. But for now, we have all come down to the final round of this competition. And I would like to hand over this floor to Vinod sir once again.
Okay. Thank you, Rishabh sir. And thank you, Pune sir. Really, it was interesting. I was so much excited with this round. I was just expecting more other questions also. म त अझै बढी क्वेशन्सहरु आओस् भनेर चाहिँ सुनिरहेको थिएँ। फेरि स्कोर पनि लेख्नुपर्ने, यता नाम पनि हेर्नुपर्ने हैन, जिम्मेवारी त थियो। बट आई इन्जॉयड अ लट है, मलाई चाहिँ एकदम मजा लाग्यो। यो चाहिँ मल्टिमिडिया राउन्डले पनि यो के रे यो हाम्रो चाहिँ बिम ब्यालेन्सलाई चाहिँ तलमाथि कता कता पारेको छ। अब त्यो स्कोर पनि हेर्नुपर्छ हामीले। र स्कोर आउनुभन्दा अगाडि म आजको हाम्रो यस कार्यक्रमको शोभा बढाइदिन आउनुभएको हाम्रो चिफ गेस्ट पोखरा महानगरपालिकाका प्रमुख प्रशासकीय अधिकृत श्री हेमप्रसाद आचार्यज्यूलाई हामीलाई केही इन्स्पायरिङ केही मोटिभेसनल शब्दहरूको मन्तव्य राखिदिनु हुन म विनम्र अनुरोध गर्दछु।
त्यही बेलामा हाम्रो सल्लाहकारज्यूलाई पनि आसन ग्रहण गराउन जगन्नाथ सर आउनुभएको छ।
ओके ओके सो र यसै क्रममा स्क्राबल क्लब पोखराका सल्लाहकार जगन्नाथ अधिकारी सर हाम्रो माझमा आइपुग्नु भएको छ। उहाँलाई पनि आफ्नो उपस्थिति जनाउनको लागि म विनम्र अनुरोध गर्दछु। जगन्नाथ सर। ओके सायद केही टेक्निकल प्रब्लम छ क्या हो उहाँको?
ठिक छ, हेम सरकै कुरा सुनौ सर।
हुन्छ
हेम सरलाई प्लिज।
हेम सर हाम्रो प्रमुख अतिथि हेमप्रसाद आचार्यज्यू तपाईलाई
धन्यवाद सर। कार्यक्रम सञ्चालकज्यूहरू, वास्तवमा यो कार्यक्रममा म पहिलो पटक चाहिँ जोइन हुने अवसर पाएँ। यसका निम्ति आयोजकलाई चाहिँ हार्दिक धन्यवाद व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। र यहाँहरूले म यो कार्यक्रमभरि सुनिरहँदा विद्यार्थीहरूको जुन खालको सहभागिता छ, यो सहभागिताले कोरोना भाइरसका कारणले गर्दा चाहिँ सृजित समस्याहरूमा पनि विद्यार्थीहरू कुनै न कुनै रूपले चाहिँ सिकाइप्रति क्रियाशील छन्, उनीहरू चाहिँ सक्रिय छन् र त्यो भावना जगाउनका निम्ति चाहिँ यहाँहरूको चाहिँ महत्त्वपूर्ण योगदान रहेको अनुभूति मलाई भएको छ। त्यसैले यो संस्था र संस्थासँग सम्बद्ध सम्पूर्ण साथीहरूलाई हार्दिक बधाई ज्ञापन गर्दै धन्यवाद ज्ञापन गर्दै यसमा जोडिएर आफ्नो प्रतिस्पर्धा देखाउने सम्पूर्ण भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई समेत चाहिँ हार्दिक आभार र चाहिँ सफलताको शुभकामना समेत व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। धन्यवाद।
हस् सर, धन्यवाद सरलाई। तपाईँको उपस्थितिले हामीलाई धेरै नै हौसला प्रदान गरेको छ सर। महत्त्वपूर्ण समय हामीलाई निकालिदिनु भएको छ यहाँले। जगन्नाथ सर हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ सर? केशव सर यहीँ?
मैले एन्ट्री भएको चाहिँ देखेको थिएँ सर। अब केही नेटको प्रब्लम हो कि जस्तो लाग्छ। आज अलिकता लाइटको फ्लक्चुएसन छ।
ऋषभ सर,
ओभर टु यु सर।
ऋषभ सर।
यस सर।
म यो स्कोरिङको फाइनल गर्दै गर्दा यसो केही हाम्रो पार्टिसिपेन्ट्सको एकजना कसैको चाहिँ मना छ यसो हजुरले?
ओके स्योर सर। ओके, सो यो सँगसँगै हामी हाम्रो अनलाइन क्विज कम्पिटिसनको अन्त्यमा लगभग आइपुगेका छौँ र हाम्रो फाइनल स्कोर यो फाइनल सिट काउन्ट गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ हाम्रो विनोद सरले। सो हामीले यो टाइमलाई युटिलाइज गर्नको लागि चाहिँ वी वुड लाइक टु रिक्वेस्ट सम अफ द स्टुडेन्ट्स टु have their feedback on the program. How was it and how was your experience? And in fact, what was your learning experience? So I would like to randomly pick one of the students from here. So I'd like to give this floor to Mr. Sandesh Podel. Sandesh Podel.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for this opportunity given to me. So the program, the quiz contest, the concept of online quiz contest, I think it was so awesome for us because it gives an awesome experience to us. Before it, I have experienced the many quiz in the field, but it is the first time I have joined in the online quiz competition, and it was so awesome. I like it so much, and I want the club will organize such type of programs in further future, so we can entertain more, we can enjoy more, and we can learn very new things from this. As a whole, I think the program was so nice, it was so awesome, and it was so energetic that it in the especially the multimedia round, it was very lucky for me because in the previous 4 to 5 rounds I cannot unable to score at least the 1 point, but after the multimedia round I can score 2 or 3 times. So the multimedia round, it was so exciting moment for me and all other players, I think it was. So thank you very much for this grand program, and it was completed successfully. and I'm happy with this all, and I'm very happy towards the club who organized this, and I hope it will organize such programs in the near future. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir, for this opportunity given to me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much on this. You indeed said everything that we wanted to listen, and thank you for that. Now I'd like to give this floor to Mr. Prison. Seems like he had so much to say about the program. So Prison, can we have few words from you?
Yes, sir.
Prison, are you there? We'd
Yes,
like
sir.
to hear a few words from you.
The program was awesome, sir. We got to know about the types of competition, and we learned how to be competitive in lots of more people. And we got to know new things also. Especially the multimedia round was very competitive, which I liked the most. And this was it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm sure the multimedia round had second the leaderboard as well. So let's hope for the best. Now I would like to give this floor to Miss Jenisa Thapa. Jenisa Thapa, are you there?
Yes, sir. First of all, I would like to thank the Scrabble Club of Pokhara for organizing such a program which helps us to interact nationwide and which also give a chance to express our hidden talents. And the program was really very much exciting, knowledgeable, and yes, like others, I also enjoyed the multimedia round most. And multimedia round was very much competitive. I also tried a lot, but it was not in my luck, so I could not score it. But no problem. I've learned many more things from it. I hope that Scrabble Club Pokhara will organize such kind of program in coming days, and it will give a chance to us in join many other programs. Saying this much, I would like to stop. Thank you.
Sure, Janisa, we have got lots of program in store. Please keep updated, or else we are there for you to update. Now, once again, I would like to give this floor to Miss Samiksha Thakuri. If I'm not wrong, her profile said Samisa, but I believe she is Samiksha Thakuri. Miss Samiksha Thakuri. Samiksha Thakuri, are you there with us? Seems like she's not with us, so I would like to give this floor to Mr. Season Podell.
It's me, Season Powell. Thank you so much for the opportunity to share my some experience with you. It was really a nice experience to meet you all and to share my some knowledge in this quiz program. This online quiz is being very nice platform in this lockdown. Sharing knowledge with other friends is really a memorable event for me, and hope it will be for the other students and other friends who are engaging in this program along with me. It was really a nice platform for the students to share their knowledge.
Okay, so that was it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. So, seems like Binod sir, you are still busy with this course.
I'm done with the work, sir.
Okay, so then I would like to give this floor to Mr. Binod Podell.
Okay,
thank you,
sir. Thank you, sir. And of course, special thanks to Rishabh sir and Purna sir for making this multimedia round very much exciting and interesting. So it has taught us so many things. Okay, so we had 26 participants from many different districts, Jhapa, Chitwan, Kaski, Nawalpur, Tanau, Palpa, Parvat. So around 7 or 8 districts were here. So among all these 26 participants, some of them were missing today. But now calculating all the rounds, the score here, I'll just tell the score first of all. So Nishchal 150, Season 70, Samiksha 35, Prasiddhi 20, Saugat 40, Surya 20, Ayush 45, Anustan 15, Chris 15, Jenisa 25, Prison 25, Sangam 15, Nerissa 20, Sandesh Shrestha 10, Srijan it's 0, Sushil 10, Abhimanyu and Ganesh 5, Sandeep 15, Vidit 35, Asim 30, Nisha 10, Sandesh Powder 60, Sharat, Sudeep and Yaman could not score in this event. So from here, we have got the finalists, top 3 candidates. Nishal, of course, we have already heard about him. So Nishal with 150 points, he is the winner. So congratulations, Nishal Bhuttal. Nishal, are you here?
Yes, sir.
So you are the winner. Congratulations. You are able to secure score 150 points. So you are the winner of this mega event.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, so I'll just come to you later on after a few minutes. So you just be prepared what to say there. And then the second one with 70 points, Season Powder. You are the first runner-up, or you are the second place holder. So congratulations, Season Powder. So we have already heard from you. Congratulations very much. And with 60, Sandesh Powder, he greatly bounced back in the multimedia round. So with 60 points, you are the third. You are able to hold the third position. So congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
We have already heard from you. So now we'd like to hear a small thing from Nishal, your feelings, your experience, and now your excitement. So Mr. Nishal, can you just share your experience in few words?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you share your experience in few words with us? How are you feeling? How was your experience? Okay.
First of all, thank you to Scrabble Club of Pokhara. This was a wonderful opportunity to me and nice experience to enjoy the quiz with such awesome guys. Very, very intelligent. And thank you to all. I'm so excited and happy.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Nishal. We hope you will be participating in other programs of Scrabble Club Pokhara. This was your first introduction in Scrabble Club Pokhara's event. So in the first meeting only, you have able to give a big blow from there. And thank you very much. And I hope you will be able to bring some other friends from your school and your surrounding schools from Jhapa and other places.
Yes, sir, that will be my pleasure.
Okay, in future events. So Kesab sir has mentioned many things in the chat box, so you can follow Scrabble Club Pokhara's activities there. Now, I would like to request Kesab sir to make more clear about the cash prize conditions and other things. Kesab sir.
हेलो ठिक छ सुनिएछ
यस सर
ल सबैजना विनर्सहरूलाई खास गरेर हाम्रो निश्चल भुटेल झापाबाट एकदमै धेरै बधाई छ त्यस्तै सिजन पौडेल कास्कीबाटै पर्नुभएछ अनि सन्देश पौडेल पर्वतबाट कस्तो मजाको चाहिँ एउटै जिल्ला नपरेर धेरैवटा जिल्ला है यहाँ मैले हेर्दाखेरि करिब 7वटा जिल्लाबाट पार्टिसिपेसन देखिरहेको थिएँ हैन That was nice, and we have got very nice feedback from government offices and other agencies like US Embassy, American Corner, American Center, as well as टिचर एसोसिएसन छ, शिक्षकहरूको सङ्गठनहरूबाट पनि उहाँहरू एकदमै राम्रो हामीलाई यसमा सहयोग गरिराख्नु भएको छ. अल्सो वी हेभ आवर एडभाइजर्स frequently in touch with us and guiding us and encouraging and motivating us. यसमा सबभन्दा इम्पोर्टेन्ट रोल चाहिँ हाम्रो प्लेयर्सहरूकै हुन्छ. विद्यार्थीहरूले पार्टिसिपेट गर्नुभयो, तपाईँहरू चाहिँ यस्तो कार्यक्रममा सहभागी भइदिनु भयो भने हामीलाई अझै पनि धेरै कार्यक्रमहरू लिएर आउन हौसला हुन्छ. Actually, this is a kind of volunteering job of this joint professional network. हामी यसलाई जोइन्ट प्रोफेसनल नेटवर्क भन्छौँ. खास गरेर यो एउटा सानो संस्थाबाट बिस्तारै विकसित भएर अहिले नेपालका 77 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्समा हामी अहिले 40 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्समा फैलिएको एउटा संस्था हो स्क्रैबल क्लब पोखरा. पोखराको नाम चाहिँ हामीले पोखरा सार्वजनिक पुस्तकालयको नामबाट हामीले पोखरा राखेका छौँ. न कि कुनै यो भूगोल भन्दा पनि एउटा चाहिँ आइडेन्टिटी हो, एउटा खालको रेस्पेक्ट हो. किनभने स्क्रैबल क्लब पोखराको बिगिनिङ त्यही पोखरा सार्वजनिक पुस्तकालयको सानो हलभित्रबाट भएको थियो. 2015 सेप्टेम्बरतिर 2015 को सेप्टेम्बरतिर हामी सेप्टेम्बरतिर हामीले यसलाई सुरुवात गरेका थियौँ. अहिले यो एकदमै मजाले सबैजनाको मुखमा, सबैजनाको दिल दिमागमा बस्न सफल भएको छ. र आजको यो कार्यक्रम हामी 3 दिन मध्ये आज अन्तिम दिनको कार्यक्रमसम्म आइपुग्दा यसको पछाडि रहेर धेरै होमवर्क गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. तपाईँहरूले थाहा पाउनुभयो होला, यो झट्टै हेर्दाखेरि 3 दिनको सर्ट प्रोग्राम जस्तो लाग्छ, तर पनि देयर आर सो मेनी थिङ्स बिहाइन्ड द कर्टेन भन्छ नि, मुख्य पर्दाभन्दा पछाडि बसेर पनि धेरै काम गर्नुभएको छ. म यसमा हाम्रो स्क्रैबल क्लब पोखराको एकदमै अहोरात्र खटिरहने एकदमै मेहनती कम्प्युटर टिचर, यो सैनिक स्कुलको टिचर पनि हुनुहुन्छ कम्प्युटर शिक्षकको रूपमा. एकदमै उहाँहरूको कडा यो आफ्नो ड्युटी भन्दा अब शिक्षक भएर अनलाइन क्लासहरू लिँदै पनि अतिरिक्त समय काम गरेर उहाँले यति धेरै कुराहरू तयारी गर्नुभएको छ. म पूर्णबहादुर सर, हाम्रो कोषाध्यक्ष स्क्रैबल क्लब को कोषाध्यक्षज्यूलाई एकदमै यो कार्यक्रमलाई प्राविधिक रूपमा एकदमै सफल बनाउनु भएकोमा मुरी धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु. मिल्छ भने सबैजनाले आफ्नो त्यो माइकलाई अनम्युट गरेर ताली बजाइदिउँ न. यसरी एकदम राम्रो हुन्छ कि जस्तो लाग्छ, किनभने काम गर्ने मान्छेले हौसला पनि पाउनुपर्छ भन्ने. अनि धन्यवाद. अनि हाम्रो पूर्णबहादुर सर चाहिँ यसरी खट्दै आउनु भएको छ भने यो कार्यक्रमको अब मुख्य तपाईँहरूले थाहा पाइराख्नु भएको छ. यो कार्यक्रमलाई अहिलेसम्म यहाँसम्म ल्याइपुर्याउनलाई अथवा यसको कोअर्डिनेसन गर्ने सुरुदेखि नै क्वेसन कलेक्सन गर्नेदेखि लिएर बेला बेलामा मिटिङहरू कोअर्डिनेट गर्ने सबै कामहरूको जिम्मा चाहिँ हाम्रो तनहुँ जिल्लाको संयोजक हुनुहुन्छ विनोद पौडेल सर. उहाँलाई पनि म एकदमै यो मेरो व्यक्तिगत तर्फबाट मात्रै नभएर समग्र स्क्रैबल क्लब पोखराकै तर्फबाट र हाम्रो विभिन्न विद्यालयहरू, शिक्षकहरू, अभिभावकहरू जो यसमा जोडिनु भएको छ, विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू सबैको तर्फबाट मुरी धन्यवाद चाहिँ हाम्रो विनोद पौडेल सरलाई पनि दिन चाहन्छु. म एक्चुअली ताली बजाउन अनुरोध गर्छु सबैलाई. विनोद पौडेल सरलाई पनि एकदमै धेरै धन्यवाद छ. यसका साथसाथै हाम्रो सिन्धुपाल्चोक अहिले खास काठमाडौँ बसे पनि सिन्धुपाल्चोक जिल्लाको कोअर्डिनेसन गरिरहनु भएको चिरञ्जीवी सरलाई पनि एकदमै धन्यवाद छ. चिरञ्जीवी सर एकदमै पुरै फुल टाइम यसमा खटिरहनु भएको छ स्क्रैबल को, खास गरेर यो क्विजको लागि र अरू एक्टिभिटिजमा पनि. स्क्रैबल पनि खेल्नुहुन्छ सरले. हाम्रो यो ग्रुपमा यसो हेऱ्यो भने स्क्रैबल पनि खेल्ने चाहिँ कोअर्डिनेटरको रूपमा हाम्रो चिरञ्जीवी सर देखिनुहुन्छ. त्यस्तै अहिले यहाँ हाम्रो एक्जिक्युटिभ मेम्बर हुनुहुन्छ ध्रुव थापा सर. उहाँ चाहिँ पनि एकदमै पहिलादेखि नै हामीसँग यसमा काम गरिराख्नु भएको छ भने यो धेरै किसिमले सहयोग गर्दै आउनुभएको ध्रुव थापा सरलाई पनि म धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु. त्यस्तै गरेर मैले अमर कुँवरजीलाई आज छिरे जस्तो लागेको थियो. ओके, त्योभन्दा पहिला झापाबाट हाम्रो संयोजक हुनुहुन्छ ऋषभ सर। ऋषभ सरलाई छोटो समयमा स्क्रैबल क्लब पोखरामा रहेर एउटा संयोजकको रूपमा एकदमै धेरै, किनभने हामीलाई यो कतिपय कामहरूमा चाहिँ एकजना दुईजनाले गरेर नहुने हुन्छ। उहाँको सपोर्टको लागि, ऋषभ सरको सपोर्टको लागि र आगामी दिनहरूमा पनि यसको निरन्तरताको लागि उहाँलाई पनि धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु र विशेष अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु यस्तै कार्यक्रमहरू आगामी दिनमा पनि कोअर्डिनेट गरिदिनु होला। र हाम्रो यो कार्यक्रममा जोडिनुभएका सबैजना शिक्षक, विद्यार्थी, अभिभावक, प्रत्यक्ष अप्रत्यक्ष रूपमा सहयोग गर्ने सबैलाई धन्यवाद दिँदै यो आजको कार्यक्रममा पाल्नुभएका हाम्रो प्रमुख अतिथि जो पोखरा महानगरपालिका का प्रमुख प्रशासकीय अधिकृत पनि हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँलाई आफ्नो व्यस्त समयबाट पनि छुट्याएर हामीलाई समय दिनुभएको उहाँलाई पनि धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु भने यो समग्र कार्यक्रममा सहभागी सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई फेरि पनि धन्यवाद दिँदै यो कार्यक्रम यही अन्त्य भएको भन्ने हो। विनोद सर के छ?
प्राइजको कन्डिसन्स
ओके, जहाँसम्म